So as you probably heard, YouTube now requires us to have at least 1,000 subscribers and over 4,000 hours of views in order to monetize videos. I'm currently on 750 subscribers and I need a few more. So it's competition time. I have a number of prizes and what I'm looking for is a number of subscribers to sign up. So let me show you the prizes first and hopefully entice you to subscribe. So first of all, a set of stickers, some GitHub, some randoms and some awesome Pibrella stickers. First prize. Second prize, an official Raspberry Pi case. Third prize, a Raspberry Pi original model from 2011. Next up, Pibrella Blinkt, 8 LEDs, RGB, fully controllable, fully hackable. If that's not enough to entice you, next prize, code bug. And finally, for one lucky winner, there is the exclusive and elusive Pibrella. So how do you win these prizes? Basically, all you need to do is subscribe, watch the videos, like. Once I get to 1,250 subscribers, then I will randomly select one subscriber from the channel. Each subscriber that will be selected will win a prize. So first subscriber will win stickers, second subscriber will win official case, third subscriber Raspberry Pi original model, fourth subscriber Blinkt. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like videos. Want to see them again? One of these. One of these. You're gonna win one of these. You win one of these. Maybe you want the Blinkt. Maybe you want the Raspberry Pi version 1. Or maybe